Gintalana na sa Nobyembre 30 tuig 2026 ang opening sang trial ni anay President Rodrigo Duterte angot sa crimes against humanity sa International Criminal Court. Suno kay Paulina Masida sang Office of Public Counsel for Victims, nagakaangay lamang ang timeline sa PETSA nga ginpanugyan sang Office of the Prosecutor nga ginasuportahan man sang mga biktima sang war on drugs. Samtang nagpahayag ang depensa ni Duterte nga gusto nila anay nga siguraduhon nga fit to stand trial ang anay presidente. Sa piyak nga bahin, gusto naman sang ICC registry nga suguran ang trial sa Enero tuig 2027. Suno kay Masida, para sa mga biktima, tuman kalawig ang Enero nga schedule para sa among nga trial. Pagaywato naman ang masunod nga status conference sini sa Hunyo 23 kag Hulyo 14. Yari ang naging pahayag sang campus ang drug war victims sa status conference.
Trial to start tomorrow. That's as simple as such. However, after the submission of the parties, we had further consultation with our clients. They are amenable to start this trial. 30th of November seems to them at the moment still a reasonable period of time. January 2027, no. For them it's too long. And going to what my learned colleague was saying, well, we can start the trial already in November and hearing witnesses who can speak English. This will allow to start and continue the trial and solve the issue of interpretation starting in January 2027. Thank you very much.
Si Paulina Masida sang Office of Public Counsel for Victims. Yari naman ang pag-anunsyo ni ICC Presiding Judge Joanna Corner sa schedule sang trial.
Right, as regards, first of all, to the decisions we've come to, the start of trial, we are prepared to accede to the prosecution's application of the 30th of November as the start of trial. The trial will run on a daily basis until the judicial recess, or thereabouts. We have to wait for the report on the accused's fitness, and they will specifically be asked to, if they find him fit to stand trial, about the proposed sitting. The chamber would obviously like to sit, subject to witness problems, 5 days a week.